weekend before Christmas. So, Merry Christmas if I don't have a video by next week. Been working on the car. You see the front windows out. Trunk lid. Got this all fixed here. Still a couple little high spots. Fixed the deck lid. Got speakers. Got the right holes cut now. This is all cleaned up all the way around the window. Roof. Nice sharp edge. Little high spot right here. And right there, but I really can't do much about it because it's really tin can like. So it's pretty straight. And then this all good here. Had that hole right here. A little bit of a high spot, but for the most part, that's what I've been working on. I ordered patch panel for down here. I decided instead of trying to get all these holes, I'm just gonna fix that panel down below. Got the molding off, hammering out a dent right here. It's December, so I figured I've been procrastinating a little bit on this. So I pulled the front windows, you can see. Look, there's metal attached in here. I kind of had I already knew what I was getting into. I figured I need to get into it. So let me show you. Let me show you. Wow. Yep. We already knew this, right? So this was behind it. Someone, yeah. Kind of all the way over. But when you put the patch panel on, should go all the way up to the dash. I might have to do a little work. It's like if I cut along this edge, I can get most of that out, and I might have to do a little bit of work up here. But once that's in, once I figure out how to get that in, that's going to replace all that. Well, what's left. Wow, huh? But they make them. They make the patch panels, so they make them for a reason, because I guess they rust out there. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. Show you my progress. That's about it. I'm going to get the music back on. And get cleaning up on this, and I'll bring you back when I get some progress. Look at that. Oh. I was kind of dreading it, but you know what? This is fun. I'm using my cutoff wheel, and I just sliced the dash. But the metal underneath is good. I got that going. And then I'll have that in. It looks like it's spot welded. I couldn't tell over here because it was all rotten, but so I'll use my little air chisel, and then I'll probably get a flapper disc or something, and I drilled a couple of them, but I don't want to drill it because then, there's holes, right? So that's where I'm at. Alright. Okay, that's what we're going on. This is what's going on. Cut out. I gotta figure out what to do with that. Not bad. Except someone tried to braze it here in the corner. So I won't be able to weld that. I can seam seal it. Put that on. I am pretty happy with that. And then I'll drill some holes in here. spot weld it. I don't know if I'll do it up here. I might. Yeah, we'll see. Not bad. Not bad for a couple hours work. Alright, I'll bring you back. Oh, it's Sunday morning. Well, it's like 10 now, but I'm working on this a little bit at a time. Got that hole patched right there. So I'll continue to spot weld. Getting low on gas. I don't know if I'll have enough to finish, but we'll see. So that's where I'm at. Looks like the battery's getting low, but that's okay. I have more batteries. Alright, I'll bring you back when I have more progress. Decided to pull it out. Started sanding the dash down. No more rust. At least there. Get the paint corner. I thought about doing a complete color change and going with that Marina blue. That would look really good with the white interior. I'll have to think about it. What do you guys think? Should I stick with this original saddle metallic? Or should I just do a color change? I kind of want to keep it with the same year color, so I don't know. Someone brazed it, so I'll just seam seal it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, I'm happy with it. Turned out good. Pretty good anyway. I'm gonna get sanded, and you guys have a happy Christmas and Happy New Year. If I try to get some more welding gas, I pretty much ran out what I got out